Ay, nandiyan ka pala. Nanonood. Hi guys. Nagmumuni-muni lang. Naghihintay kung sino yung kakain ng aking kipipay. Alam nyo, ang hirap din pala, no? Yung 9 years kang walang bengbang. Minsan, pag naghahanap ka, wala kang choice. Kasi, hindi mo naman alam, paligayahin yung, sarili mo. Kaya ito, nagakumot-kumot na lang. Tapos magkut-kut pa. Kailan ko kaya mahanap yung tamang tao? Yung seryoso sana. Di yung panandalian lang. Kasi hindi naman na laro yung hanap ko. At my age, I want a serious relationship. Because I'm not getting young. I'm getting old. So that's why I don't have time to play in a relationship. Every time I make a relationship, I'm always serious. That's why I'm always get hurt. Because I found a wrong man. Some is cheater. They are playing. Filipino man always do that. Not serious. So that's why I'm scared. I don't know, some of foreign too. They are playing the girls too. But not mostly foreign. They more on foreigner. They are serious. 80%. Right? But foreigner is too much jealous. Hi to all my subscribers. Correct me if I'm wrong. Foreigner is too much jealous, right?